Howdy, I am Kathy Hitt, and I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi. We sell $5 jewelry. I keep seeing questions in several of the groups, and several of my, not any of my actual people that I've signed up, but several people asking questions, and so they're having trouble with people finding them on their business page. So as you can see here, this is my profile on Facebook, my actual personal page. Okay, it's got my picture here at the top, my little cover page and all that. So this is all my information. Well, of course, down this side, which I don't know how yours is set up, but mine is set up to where I've got my intro, and then I've got here where I've worked. So as you can see, I've got my pages linked. I've got a couple of business pages because I've got my personal business here where I do rainwater harvesting. I design and install rainwater systems. So I've got that personal page already set up. And then I have my Paparazzi Jewelry page, business page set up. So these are two separate business pages I have set up. Okay. So, and they're linked right here to where when I'm live on my Paparazzi page, if people are having trouble finding me, I can tell them, you need to click on my link in my profile. And you set it up by clicking here on the edit. If yours doesn't have anything, you'll just have edit. So you can see customize your intro. Okay, so see, I've got all of my things set up here. Yours may not have anything here, so just click add a workplace. Okay. And you can see here where I've already got one set up, but you're going to actually be doing this add a workplace. So click on it. And then type in whatever your information is. So see whatever your page is called, your business page, you need to be typing that in here. And it should find it right in here to where then you can just click on it. And once you click on it, it should pre-populate in there to where you can click on it. Then you come in here and type in your job title, type in where you're at, type in your description, put that you currently work there. You can put when you started, fill it all in, and then click Save Changes, and you're done. And then it's linked, just like, see, I've got these in here. So I'll show you. I'll click on my Paparazzi page. And see, that took me straight to my page. So, you can get to it from there too. But like right here, okay, I'm going to click Options. See, I can edit it if I wanted to. So see here, I've linked my page. It comes up with my page to where I can link it. See, just like that. I've typed in that I'm an independent consultant. I've typed in where I'm at. I haven't typed in a description. I probably should. I just didn't fill it out. I did a quick thing. And then you put all that in, put Save Changes, and it puts all this in here. And see, I don't want to save changes, so I'm just going to cancel because it's in there the way I want it to. So that's already all in there. It makes it easier for people to find your information. So I'm going to go back to my main page here. So you can see I've got it all filled out there. And so that does make it easier. You can actually, post from your business page onto your personal page and say, hey, I'm going live in 10 minutes or whatever it is, and say, if you're having trouble finding me, look over here in the left-hand column and click on say whatever the name of the page is. And that makes it easier for people to click on that and find you. And that way they can click on that page, and once they're on your page, then they can see that your live video is going and they can click right on it. It's just one way of making it easier for people to find you. Okay? If you have any other questions or anything, please just drop me a comment, and I will try and help you. I try and share knowledge that I have with everybody. I'm not perfect by any means, and I'm certainly not an expert, but there's some things that I have learned by trial and error that I do not mind sharing. So anyway, have a good one, and life is too short to wear one necklace at a time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.